Hey, let me show you how you can change icons shape on Samsung S25, but without actually changing icons theme. So you will still get this default icons of your Samsung. So we have to start by opening Good Luck, and you have to actually get it from Galaxy Store. So open Galaxy Store and search for Good Luck. You have to input this phrase right here and install this application. Then you will have to open it. Now just wait a little bit. And you have to search for plugins into theme park. You have to get this one. Now just wait for it a little bit. Go into icon and here tap to create new. And as you can see in this place, you can actually change shapes. And here you can find preview how it actually looks. And there's actually a lot of different shapes. There's like almost every shape that you can get. Let's get, for example, this one. There we go. And we can also change icon color if you want. And the same with the tray color. There we go. But in my case, I'm gonna actually get rid of it because I want to get an original look of icons. And what you have to do right now is just to select on this button and input a name for this one. Click OK, just wait for the creating process. And now just select your shape and click apply. Now when you go back, as you can see, the icon's shape has changed.